Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, do I have some iPhone news for you guys? Of course, we're talking about some discounts, and it's pretty good because it's back to school time for all, you guys that have kids out there, or maybe are teenagers going to college or high school, and you guys want to learn about a good promotion. Well, let's go ahead and talk about it. This is Boost Mobile iPhone promotion, so let's go ahead and check it out. If you scroll down, once you're in boostmobile.com, so once you scroll down a little bit, you will see it's down here says, so check this out, iPhone 6s. So it's, suggested retail price on this, because iPhones are still pretty expensive. This is at least Boost Mobile saying it's $450 or $449.99, but right now you can currently get it for $25, guys, when you switch. So you can get an iPhone 6s. So let's go ahead and click learn more. So that's a big discount over over $425 savings that you're getting right there, guys. That's pretty big savings for especially an iPhone. And let me remind you, this is not just an iPhone 6, it's the 6s, and I believe it is the 32 gig variant. So iPhone 6s, it says when you switch iPhone 6s, $25 plus taxes. So of course it's gonna be the $25 plus the plan plus taxes and any kind of activation fees that follow with that. Another thing that I want to clear up is, guys, this is an exclusive in-store offer only, so you have to go to a Boost Mobile store, make sure they have the phone in stock. You cannot get this through the website, so you can't get it through boostmobile.com or use any kind of coupons. You have to go to a Boost Mobile store, which is a good thing too. Like I said, it does help a lot of the dealers out there in your local store. We should want to support your local store. That way they can keep bringing phones in. So let's go ahead and check it out. So to get more information on it, you want to scroll down a little bit and you want to go to where it says iPhone 6s. So it is the 32 gig model 25. So this promotion started, it's about to end actually, that's why I'm doing this video, but it started July 2nd and it's going on until August 22nd. So for all you late bloomers out there that haven't seen this promotion, that's why I'm making this video for you guys. So it says offer valid, like I said, July 2nd until August 22nd, which is like 2 days away from the making of this video. It says while supplies last, excludes taxes, limited one device / line available for new customers only, requires a port in and activation on eligible plans $50 or higher. So right away, the main thing that to get this phone for $25 is you have to be a new customer and you have to be a porting in customer. So of course, these kind of big discounts, they have a lot of requirements. Every company does this, so don't blame Boost Mobile. Like I said, Cricket does it, Metro does it, US Cellular, Verizon, AT&T, doesn't matter. All the carriers out there, they usually do something like this because they want to attract, newer customers. So it says eligible on a $50 plan. Of course, you want to get a higher. You have to get a higher tier plan of 50 or higher. So 50 or what's it, the 60 or the $80 plan, I believe it is. So you can get anything 50 or higher to get this plan. It says excludes ports from Sprint related carriers, so it cannot be Sprint related. So nothing, that uses Sprint, like I don't even know, like I guess Unreal Mobile. If you get the Sprint variant, Sprint, Boost, Virgin, anything like that that uses Sprint, you have to check that out. It says in select markets excludes boostmobile.com or national retailers. National retailers would be like Walmart, Target, anything like that. It says discount applies towards phone purchase, no cashback, credit, or rainy checks. Select model only, no substitution. Selection availability may vary by retailer. So it depends if your store restocks. My store, we would get quite a bit of stock on the main store, but with people getting in for $25, I mean, they were selling out. Guys, think about it. This phone's gonna sell out really quick. And like I said, just make sure your local store still has them in stock since this promotion is about to end. And like I said, it is back to school time. And who doesn't want to get, go back to school with a brand new iPhone 6s? So like I said, if you have Metro, Cricket, or people, or maybe your brother, they want to join into your family plan, you can go ahead and add them to your family plan. They can get an iPhone 6s for $25, 32 gig variant. Very nice promotion. So check it out. So hopefully this video was informative, and if it was, leave me a comment, subscribe, all that cool stuff. And also, I'm going to give a shout out to our new supporter, Honey, which actually can give you good discounts right now. So it says, so thank you, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic. That will be in the description below, guys. It's free. You go ahead and download it and add it to your Chrome browser. And once you go to like any websites like Boost Mobile and you click it, it will tell you if there's any kind of coupons. It will apply it automatically and you will save instantly money. When you make your first purchase, I will get a small commission. So thank you. So another shout out to another supporter, NetBuddy. So NetBuddy.co offers true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $65 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. And as well, you can now hit the join button next to my subscribe button below this video, guys, and you can actually get day one early access to videos and a bunch of other cool perks. So check all that out. Thank you so much, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this promotion.